Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing good guys. In this video I'm talking about Ecash latest update. Today update, what's the price and what's the changes occur in the Ecash coin. Let me show you guys. But guys, first of all I request everybody, if you listen my voice, please subscribe our channel for more news and update videos guys. So now here the right now price of Ecash XEC is about 0.000214 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Ecash in the market guys. And furthermore, if you study the price update, so 3.91% negative changes occur in a XEC Ecash guys. And other side guys, if we talk about the trading volume in last 24 hours, so the trading volume we found positive 23.07%. So now due to this positive trading volume, there is a higher possibilities that in the future the price will pump, because if a lot of people are investing in a Ecash, so again possibilities that the price will pump guys. Anyways, fully diluted market cap is negative, but there is a possibilities guys that in the beginning of October the price of XEC Ecash will take a huge pump guys. So get ready for a huge pump. And the beginning of October there is a possibilities that Ecash price will pump, and I believe guys that 80 to 90% chances that the price will pump guys. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your opinion about Ecash? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.